Hi YouTube. Today is Saturday and it's very sunny outside, but it's still hot. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys some tricks. So I had to put this on if I'm gonna talk or not. But first I I did put my makeup on. I did it all to this palette. If you notice, it is from Estee Lauder. It's hard to open, but you know what I'm talking about. I use that shade, these two combined, and these three for the highlighter. See, yeah. I've got put on a primer for the eyeshadow. Hope it does increase while I do this. But if it does, I'm sorry about that. Anyway, I want you to learn the fast system. When you're talking to somebody, you're always looking at their facial features. Remember, if they got a droop, the face is going down, left or right. Yeah. And they can feel their arms left or right. The legs gonna go out if you're standing. And your speech is slurred. Dial 911, okay? They may be having a stroke. Remember your face system. Face, arm, speech, and the time it took you to dial 911 from the time you saw something weird. When they're talking, repeat what they're saying and have them repeat what you said. And if you can understand there's something wrong, nowadays I'm sure because they have something for the stroke. Um, if they knew what was happening to me, I'm pretty sure the outcome would be different. But needless to say, I still have to do this. Remember your face, arm, your body actually. If it gives out, whatever side, right or left, um, the speech and the time to cue. You gotta look down. You gotta make it like that. I used to go and do that snap. Now look at me. I'm practicing on my left. I can't dud. But anyway, um, I, I don't know what's going on, but I'm not getting any notifications at all. I happen to go to public to see what y'all shared and stuff like that. Anyway, like I said, remember your stroke system or your fast system, face, arm, speech, and time. Okay? And then my PT. Oh, guess what? I'm getting PT now. We're working on strengthening my legs and my feet because I got flat foot. We're exercising my legs or my left legs mostly because it is weak. I envy you guys. You guys get up and walk around, reach without shaking, and drive. I'm so envious. One day I'll get there. But anyway, sorry for the look, cause I had to work out first, and then go clean up. And then I remembered I had to do this video first. Remember now, I can only remember so many things. Sometimes I say at work anyway. Just do remember your fast system and exercise your weak part, whatever is left or right, it don't matter. Um, do some push-ups or some games, massage your hand. Look at that. And 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 that's good enough. I'm looking around to see what I forgot to talk to you guys about. It's been over 8 minutes, and I'm so happy that you guys are supporting me, even though um, I'm hard to understand. But anyway, I have a message. Take care of yourself, eat right, exercise, and drink a lot of water. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out that next thing. Usually I'm good about writing things, but anyway, one of the mishaps was that I almost burnt my microwave over there. Where it go? Right there. I want you to see. See. Oh, oh, well, you get the idea. There it is. It's just somewhere over there. Anyway, I was eating my breakfast. Um, I get one of those meals on wheels. Funny, anyway, I forgot to take out the packet. I think they have a foil packet in there. All I know is I smell something and they should blow. Oh my God. It was kind of smoky in here. I had to open my window to my bedroom and use the fan, and I had to call my mom. It's was kind of not my fault, but it was kind of. I didn't read the writing. I'm supposed to take out the packet, but I didn't. I just put everything in the microwave and heated it up. Oh well, you learn, you learn. That's what my mom said. But next time, she said, look down on the thing. If it said take out um, a product or something with the foil or something like that, take it out and don't microwave it, I guess. Oh well. Um, as you can see, I love my peanut butter over there. I love my peanut butter. So I'm happy either way. So I had my coffee, my peanut butter, and then um, um, I put that in bread, and I dunk it with my coffee. No sugar or anything like that. I'm trying to watch it. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day, good weekend. Everybody has a long weekend. I know that much. Anyway, um, I use um, my L'Oreal lipstick. I can read that, but it's nice. And then I put some lip gloss by Milani. There. And this is a brilliant shine. And it's called raspberry. It's not the same color, but I only use the lip gloss part. Oops. Anyway, um, I'm gonna go get ready. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember your fast time or your fast, your face, the arm, and the speech time. When you're talking to someone, get that in your head. Remember, you can help somebody if that's the case. Oof, I got flyaways. Oh, sorry. Anyway, and then I was laughing so hard yesterday. My mom had no other reason but to laugh too. But anyway, that is my suggestion with you guys. Laugh it off. No, it's not gonna hurt you. Just laugh it off and everything will be fine. Okay? Like I said, I'm sorry. That's the shining part outside. Too much sun. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in another video where I'm much more clean and put together. Not that I'm not, but you know what I mean. I gotta go get ready. But I didn't wanna miss any opportunity to be on YouTube. Like I said, in my eyes, I'm wearing my Estee Lauder, the one my sister sent me. No primer needed. So here's to hoping. And then I'm not wearing much. Um, I forgot the mist. Anyway, I'm still learning to edit. But anyway, um, for you who get rich, this is the good fun. It's like an arm at the end. My mom got this for me so I can reach for things I can't reach, especially under my desk. And then I practice on this side. Can you see? over there. So this area is practically my whole side. I still have my entertainment over there. I got my computer over here and my books over there. And I have a Kindle. Anyway, I hope you enjoy your Saturday. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay? Deuces.